The luxury fashion industry has long cultivated an image of artisanal excellence. Handcrafted Italian leather goods, Parisian couture, Swiss timepieces created by master craftsmen. Yet recent investigations by major news organizations have uncovered a more nuanced reality behind some of these prestigious labels, revealing practices that may surprise even dedicated luxury consumers. When shoppers encounter Made in Italy or Swiss-made labels, they typically assume the entire manufacturing process occurred in these renowned locations. However, legal definitions paint a different picture. Under European Union regulations, products can legally carry a Made in Italy designation if they undergo their last substantial transformation in Italy, regardless of where earlier production stages took place, according to the European Union Non-Preferential Origin Rules, Official Journal of the European Union. Similarly, Swiss watches need only 60% of their manufacturing costs to occur in Switzerland to earn the coveted Swiss-made label, as defined by the Swiss Federal Institute of Intellectual Property, Swiss-made ordinance. So this regulatory framework, while legally transparent, actually creates opportunities that some brands have utilized in, well, unexpected ways. A 2020 BBC investigation documented some really concerning conditions in certain Italian luxury supply chains, finding migrant workers earning as little as 2 to 3 euros per hour in factories producing goods for major fashion houses. This same regulatory framework, while legally transparent, creates opportunities that some brands have utilized in, honestly, unexpected ways. There was a 2020 BBC investigation that documented concerning conditions in certain Italian luxury supply chains with migrant workers earning as little as 2 to 3 euros per hour in factories making goods for major fashion houses. The investigation focused particularly on facilities in Prada and the surrounding Tuscan areas, which are traditionally considered the heart of Italian craftsmanship. Building on these findings, The Guardian's 2021 investigation revealed how some luxury houses operate through complex subcontracting networks, with reporters documenting instances of workers enduring 14 to 16-hour shifts while living in company-provided housing near production facilities. These revelations prompted significant discussion within the industry about transparency and working conditions. The response from major luxury conglomerates has been notably proactive. Kering Group, which owns Gucci, Balenciaga, and other prestigious brands, published comprehensive supply chain standards in 2019 and committed to regular facility audits. In their 2021 sustainability report, Kering documented investing 50 million euros specifically in supplier development programs. "We are committed to ensuring fair working conditions throughout our supply chain," stated the company in their official response to the investigations. LVMH has implemented what they term Maison standards, requiring suppliers to meet specific labor and environmental criteria. The luxury giant conducts over 1,000 supplier audits annually, and according to a company spokesperson who spoke to WWD in 2020, has terminated relationships with facilities that don't meet our standards. LVMH has implemented what they term Maison standards, requiring suppliers to meet specific labor and environmental criteria. The luxury giant conducts over 1,000 supplier audits annually, and according to a company spokesperson who spoke to WWD in 2020, has terminated relationships with facilities that don't meet our standards. These initiatives represent substantial investments in supply chain oversight that, honestly, just weren't standard practice even a decade ago. However, not all luxury brands operate through these complex global networks. Hermès, for example, maintains direct control over 70% of their leather goods production through company-owned facilities in France, employing over 5,000 artisans directly in French workshops, according to their annual report. This vertical integration model, while definitely more expensive, allows for complete oversight of working conditions and craftsmanship quality. Other success examples include Brunello Cucinelli, which maintains all production in Italy through company-owned facilities, paying workers above market rates and providing comprehensive benefits packages. Patek Philippe takes a similar approach, producing 95% of their watch components in-house at their Geneva facilities, according to Patek Philippe manufacturing documentation from 2022. These examples demonstrate that maintaining traditional production methods, while challenging, remains commercially viable for brands willing to invest in it. The industry faces genuine economic pressures that complicate these issues. Rising labor costs across Europe have increased production expenses significantly, while global demand for luxury goods has grown exponentially. Marco Bizzarri, former CEO of Gucci, acknowledged these. The industry faces genuine economic pressures that complicate these issues. Rising labor costs across Europe have increased production expenses significantly, while global demand for luxury goods has grown exponentially. Marco Bizzarri, former CEO of Gucci, acknowledged these. Current origin labeling regulations, designed for general manufacturing rather than luxury goods, may not align with consumer expectations. Dr. Maria Rossi, a trade law expert at Bocconi University, explains, these regulations were created for broad manufacturing contexts, not premium products. They may not reflect what consumers assume about where luxury items are actually made, according to the Bocconi University Trade Law Review, published in 2021. Consumer awareness appears to be shifting, though behavioral change remains limited. A comprehensive 2022 McKinsey study found that 67% of luxury consumers now consider supply chain transparency important in purchasing decisions, representing a significant increase from 45% in 2019, as reported in the McKinsey & Company The State of Fashion Luxury Consumer Survey, 2022. However, the same research revealed that 73% of respondents rarely investigate a brand's production methods before making purchases, suggesting a gap between stated preferences and actual behavior. Industry analyst Luca Solca of Bernstein Research observes this evolving landscape, saying there's a growing divide between brands doubling down on authentic craftsmanship and those treating luxury as primarily a marketing exercise. Consumer awareness will likely determine which brands ultimately succeed. Several emerging brands have made production transparency a core competitive advantage, recognizing that informed consumers increasingly value authenticity alongside traditional markers of luxury. Several emerging brands have made production transparency a core competitive advantage, recognizing that informed consumers increasingly value authenticity alongside traditional markers of luxury. These companies often provide detailed information about their manufacturing processes, worker conditions, and material sourcing as standard practice rather than responding to external pressure. Understanding the complexities behind luxury production can, really enhance your shopping experience and help align purchases with your personal values. Many luxury houses now publish detailed sustainability reports outlining their production practices and supply chain policies, and these are often available on their websites. When shopping, retail staff can frequently provide specific information about where particular items are manufactured and the brand's production standards. Third-party certifications from organizations like the Responsible Jewelry Council and Textile Exchange offer independent verification of production standards, serving as helpful guides for conscious consumers. Additionally, smaller luxury brands often prioritize transparency as a way to differentiate themselves in the market, sometimes providing more detailed information about their manufacturing processes than established houses. The conversation around luxury production continues evolving as new information emerges and industry practices adapt. The conversation around luxury production continues evolving as new information emerges and, industry practices adapt. For those who appreciate luxury goods, becoming an informed consumer can really enhance both the shopping experience and, honestly, the satisfaction of ownership. Knowledge about production methods, working conditions, and brand policies allows for purchases that reflect both your aesthetic preferences and your personal values. As the luxury sector adapts to changing consumer expectations, the future likely belongs to brands that can successfully combine exceptional craftsmanship with transparent, ethical production methods. For consumers, this evolution presents an opportunity to support practices that align with their values while still enjoying the artistry and quality that, define genuine luxury. Whether you're considering your first luxury purchase or adding to an existing collection, taking time to research and understand the background of potential purchases can lead to more satisfying ownership experiences. The tools for making informed decisions are increasingly available. The choice of how to use them remains entirely yours.